Good morning, my friends. Myself, Mr. Pokle Sanjay Tokaram, MSc MPhil, Department of Zoology. I am working in Restriction Samstha since 2006. Today, we are studying about mutation for the class of TYBSc, the Department of Zoology. This paper is TYBSc, Genetic and Molecular Biology. And today's chapter is the mutation. Mutation is a very important concept in all living organism, because every organism they live to the regular life due to the surrounding different factors get effect the change the behavior. Means every organism, the body is developed by cell. This cell containing nucleus and cytoplasm. Cytoplasm containing different type of the cell organelle: mitochondria, Golgi complex, lysosome, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. They take the different type of the function, means secrete the different type of the enzyme for the production of energy, production of ATP molecules, and they are centrally nucleus are present. This nucleus containing chromosomes are present. Means this nucleus containing chromosome, this chromosome containing DNA, and this DNA containing, these are the nucleotides. These nucleotides containing larger number of these nucleotides are present. That is the DNA. There are the two nitrogenous bases. One is the purine and second pyrimidine. That is the adenine, guanine, in pyrimidine, cytosine, thymine. These are the complementary, and sometimes they get mismatch. These nucleotides, they are the replaced. Means mutation means nucleotides are replaced from the specific location. That is the suddenly change on the nuclear structure. That is chromosome containing particular structure of the gene get change in the chemical structure of the gene or chromosome, or change in the nucleotides. The position of the nucleotides get changed, that time they get affected, and they are the suddenly change on the behavior of this living organism. That is, in every organism their nucleus containing chromosome, that is the DNA, genes are present. These genes are exciting stable unit, and that is change the base sequence. That is, they are the reproduce. This mutation means they are the reproduce and copying during the meiosis or gamete formation. In the process of gamete formation, these internal chromosome DNA get replicate, and that time they misprint, or they are the get change, and that is the change of these chromosome. Particularly in that change of the base sequence of the DNA is called as the mutation. That is, the organism, they are the alter the gene. Due to the mutation, gene get altered, and there are the new gene, another type of the gene are replaced. Actually, this organism carry altered gene. This organism is called as the mutant organism, and there are those organisms carry the normal gene. There are the normal gene. This organism, that is the unaltered gene, is called as the wild type of the organism. Means we change the structure and automatically change the behavior of this organism. Suddenly change, the sudden change is happen, and this total phenomena is called as the mutation. Means very simply change of the organism due to the changing the chemical structure of the gene or chemical structure, as well as the change in the nucleotides. And that time this mutation takes place in the different organism, plant, animal, small organism, and that time they change the behavior, because nucleotide get changed. Each nucleotides, they are the specific coding message of the synthesis of the protein, and sometimes the missing of the nucleotides, the protein is changed in different form, they get affected to the regular activities, and that time this mutation takes place in this different part of the body, different region. There are in the environment different type of these biochemical factors, chemical factors, they get affected in the regular lifestyle, and that time they change the cell structure. That time the next is the kind of mutation. type of mutation. That is, this mutation is takes place due to the replication of the gene get altered, and that time what is the cause the mutation is takes place, and that time they are divided into the number of type. The first is the on the basis of their origin, what is the exact cause, that is the origin. That time the first type is called as the spontaneous mutation. Spontaneous mutation. This spontaneous mutation, it is also called as the natural mutation, and actually it is due to the normal cellular operative or due to the random interaction with the environment. This spontaneous mutation is happen, there the exact cause is totally unknown, but change is happen. The change the structure of the nucleotide, change the structure of the DNA, and there are the this occurrence takes place. That is the random change of their nucleotides, and they are the that is this spontaneous mutation is the origin is indeterminate. They are the unknown the exact cause, but living organism the some internal external the changes is takes place. There example of the number of the plant, animal, particularly there are the number of these animal, particularly the bacteria, E. coli bacteria, they are transmitted by the agar plate with the help of the velvet cloth, and due to the this agar plate coated with the T4 phase, but due to the transmission process there are the number of the changes is takes place. There are the this mutation is occurs during the enzymatic process in living organism. Different enzymes are secreted. Due to this secretion the DNA get replicate, and particularly these are the mutation is takes place, and that is this genetic code get changed, and actually they may be reflected. That is the spontaneous mutation. It is the natural mutation. There is another example of the cancer. This cancer is the one type of the change in the body, means uncontrollable cell division, but there are the different type of the cancer, lung cancer, liver cancer, bone cancer, but any patient suffer from the cancer, they cannot be diagnosed the exact cause of the cancer, means like the spontaneous mutation. Cause is totally unknown, but change is happen. This is called as the spontaneous mutation. Second is called as the induced mutation. Induced mutation. This induced mutation, it is also called as the artificial mutation. That is, these are the second type of the mutation. Artificial mutation or induced mutation means this mutation is occurs under the aseptic lab. They are the experimental purpose. They treat the different living organism, that is the plant, animal, and they provided the different chemical compound therapy as well as the different drugs. What type of the change is occur, that is this induced mutation, generally agree they provided the radiation from the cosmetic, ultraviolet rays, and that time changes happen. That is the example of the ultraviolet rays or X-ray. The scientist Muller there shows that first time this X-ray treated to the Drosophila. Drosophila melanoglaster is a fruit flies, a banana, and these flies treat under the laboratory with the help of these X-rays, and that time they change the gene. There the X gene get changed, and the number of the lethal, semi-lethal genes are take place. And that time this scientist Muller give the Nobel Prize in 1946 due to the treated with the X chromosome of the Drosophila flies. That is, induced mutation is the artificial mutation under aseptic condition. That is on the basis of type of the cell, because in that animal there are the different type of the cells are present. Type of cell, which type? There are human being, two type of the cells are present. One cell is called as the somatic cell. That is, this mutation is called as the somatic mutation. That is, somatic mutation means in the human body, one is the somatic cell, another cell is called as the germinal cell. All over the body cell, 2n number of the chromosome are present, and these all type of the cell is called as the somatic cell. There are the mutation is takes place, and particularly in that living organism, the change is happen. Particularly in that somatic mutation, there are the change it takes place. These are the specific target organ. These are not a transfer from one generation to another generation. That is somatic mutation is only this lifetime they get reversed, and actually they cannot be transmitted to the next generation. They are returned in the lifetime, and actually it is non-heritable mutation. That is, in a human body internal organ, any organ get defected. After they give the treatment, they again recovered. Means in the body cell they get changed. This type of the mutation is called as the somatic mutation. Second is called as the germinal mutation. Germinal mutation. That is, there are the second type of the cell, germinal cell. It is also called as the reproductive cell, that is the germ cell. In that it causes, that is the process of the sperm formation. It is simply called as the spermiogenesis, or in the female ova, that is in the process is called as the oogenesis. And that time there are the, in that germinal cell, at the time of the influences of the gamete get depicted, they are changed. Gamete formation is a process continue, that time get affected by the some factors, and this type of the mutation is called as the germinal mutation, or it is also called as the reproductive mutation, because this cell is the reproduce, and they are that is, these are the raw material of the evolution. Because the germs get defected, they transfer to the next generation, that time the F1 are the affected. That is, these are the transfer from one generation to the another generation. That is, in that germinal mutation, some gamete, this reproductive sperm ova is effect, automatically the transfer from the next generation. Next one is the on the basis of chromosome. In the human being or every organism body cell containing the DNA chromosomes are present. There are the different type of the chromosome. In human being there are two type of the chromosome. One is called as the autosome. This mutation is called as the autosomal mutation. Autosomal mutation means in human body there are two type of the cell chromosome. One is called as the autosome, another is called as the sex chromosome. Total 46 chromosomes are present in human being. 44 is called as the autosome, and the remaining 2 is called as the sex chromosome. Means this 44 chromosome determine the body characters, length, structure, right? All different type of the body character they controlled by, developed by this autosome, and the remaining 2 chromosome they determine the sex of this organism, and that is, these determine the body character of those chromosomes, they get defected, and this type of the mutation is called as the autosomal mutation. Means they are affected by the body structure, and actually in that number of the changes it takes place. That is very good example of the produce the different syndrome. One is called as the Down syndrome. Down syndrome. This Down syndrome is the autosomal syndrome. What is the change in human body? Total 46 number of the chromosomes are present, but at one time the human being suffer from the this type of the condition. That time total chromosome number is the 47. Means 45 autosome plus X, Y or the 2 sex chromosome. Total chromosome number is 47. One chromosome is extra. That is, in the chromosome number 21st, this stage there are the trisomy condition. That is, all human body the chromosomes are the pairing. These are the homologous chromosome. 46 chromosome, there are the 23 pairs are present. But in the Down syndrome there are the one extra chromosome. Here 45, one extra chromosome they added, and there are the, this condition is called as the trisomic condition, and that time this one extra chromosome added to the chromosome number 21st. What is the change which takes place? That patient suffer from this Down syndrome. That is, this person is called as the mongoloid idiocy, and actually there are the number of the body character get changed. Small head, this person, they are the mentally retarded. Small head, flat back, as well as the mouth is continuously open and the teeth is the irregular, flattened nose, sexually matured ear pinnas are the variable, and that is this type of the characters are observed. These are the second one example of the autosomal syndrome is the Cry-Du-Chat syndrome, or it is also called as the cat-Kai syndrome. Second Down syndrome under the autosomal means in that the chromosome number 5. Second syndrome is chromosome number 5. These are the chromosome get break. This chromosome number 5 they determine this sound production, and that is this chromosome some part is the deleted. The breakdown the part of the segment of the chromosome, that time the produce the disease is called as the Cry-Du-Chat syndrome or cat-Kai syndrome. This patient, this sound is cannot be properly like to the normal person. As well as another third syndrome is the Edwards syndrome, Plateau syndrome. This Edwards syndrome as well as the Plateau syndrome. Edwards syndrome, the chromosome number 18. Edwards syndrome, in that the 18 number of the chromosome, there also trisomy condition, Edwards syndrome. 18 number chromosome, they are also similar to the Down syndrome, trisomy condition are developed. As well as another one is called as the Plateau syndrome. In the Plateau syndrome, chromosome number 13, there also trisomy condition are developed. And in that region, particularly Plateau syndrome, particularly one patient every 5,000 patient, this type of the peoples are born. Means this Down syndrome, Edwards syndrome, Plateau syndrome, these three syndrome are the trisomy condition. Total 47 number of the chromosomes are present, and all one extra chromosome is the autosomal. That's all disease is called as the autosomal syndrome. Next one is the, after this autosome, another one is called as the sex-linked or sex syndrome. Second one, sex-linked chromosome or sex-linked mutation. That is like this autosome in human being, there are the two sex chromosomes are present. This two sex chromosome determine the sex of this individual, and sometimes they get defected, and that time there the changes happen. Particularly in that person, the mutation occurs in the sex chromosome, sex linked chromosome, that is the mutation in the sex chromosome. One mutation in the X chromosome or mutation in the Y chromosome. This XX present in the female or XY present in the male, and that time they are the change, and that is they get affected. That is the mutation in the X chromosome, this is called as the X-linked mutation, and the mutation in the Y chromosome, it is also called as the Y-linked mutation. That is in the both X and Y mutation is changed, and that time there are the number of these syndromes are developed. Very good example of this one syndrome is called as the Klinefelter syndrome. Example of this sex-linked syndrome, that is Klinefelter syndrome. That is in that Klinefelter syndrome, their total chromosome number is 47. In that 47 chromosome, 44 is autosome, and the remaining X, X and Y. There are the three sex chromosomes are present. One chromosome is extra, means there are the one extra X characters are developed, and actually in that Klinefelter syndrome, number of the characters are developed. This person, that is, these are the very tall, elbows are the larger, broad chest, there are the particularly male genitalia, that is the phenotypically is the male genitalia, reproductive organ is underdeveloped, testes are underdeveloped. That is in the Klinefelter syndrome, means the affected by the sex chromosomes. Second one example of the Turner syndrome, under this sex-linked mutation. Second one is the Turner syndrome. In that Turner syndrome, total chromosome number is 44 plus X0 means total 45 chromosomes are present. One chromosome is declined and there the only the one X, another is the 0. No chromosomes are present. They cannot be properly phenotypically. It is the female, but these are the unable for the mother role. That is, these are the different characters. That is, female reproductive organ underdeveloped. Their memory glands are underdeveloped. These are the number of the changes is takes place, and that is all type of these, both Klinefelter syndrome, Turner syndrome. These are the sex-linked mutation. That is, on these basis of their stages occurs. That is, the next type is the on the basis of stage which occurs. In that, first is the gametic mutation. That is, in human body, the gametes are developed. That is the production of the sperm, production of the ova. That time the change takes place, and these gametes, particularly sperm, ova, are developed. At the time of the development, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, or primary oocyte, secondary oocytes, there are gamete get defected. And that time this defected gamete is called as the gametic mutation, and this gamete transfer from this process of the reproduction means F1 get defected. Both that time this male sperm, ova, that is the in this chromosome number sometime get variable, some gene get defected, and this type of the mutation is called as the gametic mutation. Second one is called as the zygotic mutation. Zygotic mutation, that is after fertilization, that is sperm, ova, they union together, fertilization process takes place. The next development is the zygote. The zygote grow in this mother body. That time in this cell division, sometime the cell division transfer in the mitotic cell division, prophase, metaphase, telophase, like this. Sometime they get defected, and that time these embryo are the abnormal. These are the, because zygotic gene get sometime errors, and these errors are transmitted from the next generation. Means mutation occurs in the zygotic condition. This is called as the zygotic mutation, and that is error on the basis of their direction. Particularly, there are the two type of this mutation in this direction. One is called as the forward mutation. That is, in that forward mutation, mutation occurs, abnormal character are formed from normal character. The person is the firstly normal in condition, but due to the some environmental factor get affected, and this normal person organism is converted into the abnormal characters are formed. That is, that time this type of the mutation is called as the forward mutation. They are a very good example of the Drosophila. In the Drosophila, F1, there are the vestigial wing. That is, the wings are the normal in condition, but these are the abnormal characters are formed. And the second one is called as the reverse mutation. Reverse. That is, in that abnormal characters are firstly formed. They are converted into this. That is the Drosophila melanogaster. Vestigial wing is present. These live in the continue, and after this vestigial wing, they are the fully grown and they convert into the large expanded long wings are developed. Means in the reverse mutation, abnormal character is converted into the normal characters, and that time this animal, this defected organ is continue. They are the change, and that is, these are the reverse type of the mutation. That is, in this all type of this mutation, every part they get change, and such particularly change in the gene, change in the nucleotides, and they are affected to the, because these nucleotide get changed, they are the secrete the specific type of the enzyme, specific type of the hormone, and they get abnormal, and they are indirectly, directly affected to this total biological condition, and automatically the changes takes place. Okay, thank you.